Miss Monroe's third grade class. This is topic 10-3. We are still talking about multiples of 10 and how to multiply them. We are going to be using associative and distributive property today. Okay, so we're going to go on over to number 3, and it says complete each equation. So just like we did yesterday, and we're going to look for our basic equation. Now when you get to your homework today on Savas, it's going to say on there, what's the basic equation? So what is the basic equation here? 2 times 70. What's my basic equation?
2 times
Wendy?
7. 2 times 7.
2 times 7. So do I have that over here? No. What do you think I need to put in these two blanks?
2 times 7.
Well, I got a 2. Kenzie?
That one. This first one. The first one puts a 7.
A 7. So remember we said yesterday, if I have an equal sign, it's telling us that this side is equal to this side when we do all the math, right? So if I have 2 times 70 over here, and now I have 2 times 7 here, what am I missing that will get me back to 2 times 70? Heavenly?
10.
A 10. Okay? See how that works?
Yeah.
Now, remember with associative property, it says we're going to keep the factors in the same order, right? Factors are what we're multiplying. We're going to keep them in the same order, except we're going to change the parentheses, like the way we group them, okay? So I got 2, 7, 10 here, so what do you think's going to happen here? 5, 2.
7. 10.
Okay, so we also know that parentheses means we have to
Do it first.
do it first. So do you see how they just changed what we're going to do first to make it a little bit easier?
Yeah.
Okay, so they got us back to that basic equation right there, 2 times 7. So 2 times 7 they did for us, which is,
14.
right? So now remember, 2 times 70, 14 times what is going to give me the same thing when I multiply it? Tyson?
10.
10, yeah. So we just brought the 10 down. Can we do it from there? So what's going to go here then? Heavenly?
140.
140. 140 or 140. Okay? Not too bad, right? Okay, let's go ahead and do, we can do 4.
Yeah.
Let's do 4 and then we'll do 5. But I want to write out our multiples because we need to work on that. Okay? Now, most of us are not allowed to use our times table that we've kind of been using in 3rd grade on iLearn. We have to, but we can use our multiples. If we know how to write those out, we can use them. So I want to keep practicing them just for those of us that haven't quite memorized it yet. Okay? So I start with 6, and then I count up another 6. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I'm at 5, right? It has to end in 0 or 5. What am I times 5? Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. That 6 times 9, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So the next one's what? 6 times 10 is what? 60. We don't have to count that one up. Then 6 times 11, we don't have to count that up. It's 6. And then if we can remember it, 72. Okay? Now we have 6 times 6. So how do we find it here? Can somebody remind me? King?
You count to 6 to
I count down 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 6 is?
6.
Our goal is to have those all memorized here pretty soon. But this kind of helps us out in case we have trouble. We need to know how to get there if we don't remember it. Okay, so then I got 6 times 60. So what do? We have a multiple of 10. You know our basic one is what? Who I got? Rylan? Not Rylan? Liz?
Basic.
No basic. Kinsey? Over up.
Is 6 times 6.
Which is
36.
36, right? But then we have it's a multiple of 10.
You just add
So
a
we,
zero.
what? Don't add it. We
Put a zero on the
put it at the end.
end.
Don't add because then it's just 36, right?
Then
Put
you
it at the
get
end.
it. I was thinking that mine was like, don't say it.
That's all right. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's do number 5. And let's count out our 8s because I know you're going to need them later, okay? I'm going to do them over here. Can you see them? Can you at home see them? I don't know. Hold on, let's rearrange. Okay, so let's start with 8. We're going to count up 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 8s is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I just used this one this morning. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh, I must be at what? 8 times what? Yeah, 8 times 5, because 8's an even number. Anything times 5 that's an even number ends in 0. Okay, so then 8 plus 40 would be
48.
48, and we can count them again. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So, 8 times 8.
66. 8. I ate
What?
and I got 6 on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64.
Kind of gross, but we'll remember it, won't we? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So this is 8 times 9, because 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then the next one would be what?
80.
80, then 8 times 11,
88.
88, and then just remember, 96. Okay, so my basic problem over here is 7 times 8, which is
72.
72. Yeah. No, not 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
7, 56.
Oh, I thought we were doing
56. Okay, so then 70 times 8 would be, what do we think? What do you think, Hayden?
8. 560.
Hayden.
Isn't it needed? 560.
Yeah. No. You're being a really good puppeteer there, just throwing your voice all over the room. Okay, 560. Good job. So that's basically what we're doing today on Sabbath. Okay? The only difference is you may have some questions where it's a little more wordy. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. You can flip to the back. Okay? We're going to do the graph paper back there and the ticket book. So we're going to do 25 and 26 on the back. Probably not the first one.
I'm not done watching.
Oh yeah, get it written down. All right, if I write on the board, you're responsible for it. Does everybody have the 6s down?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and do 25 before we get a special. This is one with a mystery or hidden question.
Oh, you're gonna have to edit.
Probably. Okay,
You do not like edit.
higher order thinking. You ready?
I'm a typist.
So this has a mystery or hidden question. Allie and his friends are going to the amusement park. If there are 2 adults and 5 children, how much will the tickets cost? Okay? So over here, in our little picture over there, it says how much each ticket is. So a child's ticket is what? 20. An adult's ticket is?
30.
So how many children do I have, class?
50.
Ooh, wait, how many kids do I have?
5.
Right? So what am I going to have to do? Is there a hidden question in there? Kent?
No, because all you have to do is add 5 times 20.
Right. That is the hidden question though, right? We got to take 5 times 20 to find out how much the kids' tickets are, right? What about the adults' tickets? Do we need to know about them?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it says how much will the tickets cost? If both are going, we can't forget them. So how much are the tickets for the adults?
30.
30. And how many adults do I have, Heavenly?
2.
2. So I have adults equal 2 times 30. Okay. So what is 5 times 20? You can tell me. Kyson?
110.
Right. So be careful with these though, because 5, it's 100. 5 times 2 is what?
10.
10. Okay? But just because it ends in a 0, you can't count that as the 0 we put at the end for a multiple of 10. Okay? Because 2 times 10 is 10, but 2 times 20 is 100. Okay? If that's $20 bills, you don't want to be counting that wrong, right? That wouldn't even make sense, would it? Because 120 would be more than 10. You with me? Okay, so then adults, who can figure that one? Amelia? 2 times 3? So our base 6, and then what do I have to do at the end?
What is the 0?
Put a 0. So they're how much?
60.
And remember, these are dollars. That's probably going to be our label. See the dollar sign? It wants to know how much. So am I done?
No, you have to add them.
I got to add. Add what?
160.
100 plus 60, what do I get?
160.
160 what?
Dollars.
Dollars. Now I'm done. Okay, we'll do 26 when we get back. Because it is... Okay. So we're ready for 26. It says, Mr. Ridley owns a clothing store. The table shows how many pieces of clothing fit on each rack. So we're talking about pieces of clothing and on the rack. And the number of racks. Okay? So I've got 2 groups so far. Complete the bar graph to show. So I got to do that. That's one task I got to do. How many articles of clothing fit in Mr. Ridley's store? Okay. So I can't just solve it. How many pieces? I have to, I got to do the graph too. So how many pieces fit in the store is the second one. The first one is complete the graph. Okay, so if I look over here, I've got the startings of a bar graph, right? So Mr. Ridley's clothing store. And I'm counting by what? What's my scale? I'm counting by tens. Tens, right? So pieces of clothing. I got shirts, pants, shorts, and dresses, right? Then over here it says I got shirts, and I got 50 per rack, and I have 2 racks. So what does that mean? How many shirts do I actually have? There's kind of a mystery question in here, right? Tyson? Yeah, because I have to multiply these, right? Because you've got 2 racks with 50 on it. So my basic question is 5 times 2, which is 10, and I put a 0 behind it. So then how many pants do I have? Somebody, oh, you gotta look at it. I got 30 times 3. What's that gonna give me, Lindy? 90, because 3 times 3 is my basic, and then I add the 0, so I got 90. And then shorts, Kent?
60.
Yep, because I got 2 times 3, which is 6, right? And I put a 0 behind it. And then I have dresses. Jackson?
80.
Right, because I got 40 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. I put the 0 behind it because it's 40. Am I done?
No.
Are you sure? I have my
Make
clothes
the
up there.
graph.
Oh, we gotta do the graph, right?
No.
Okay, so over here I have shirts. And I got 100. So how tall am I going?
All the way up.
Okay.
You make a long rectangle all the way to the top.
Right, so we're gonna make a kind of a rectangle. You can make it skinny or fat, I don't care. If you're coloring it in, it doesn't have to be beautiful. This is an art class today. Okay, don't spend all your time coloring.
You just got back to my top.
Right? And so then how many for pants? Where am I going for pants?
90.
Oh, yeah. So here's 90. I gotta go all the way up there. Then shorts. Hayden?
60.
Yep, so here's my 60. Oh, there's the 60. And dresses.
80.
Okay,
80.
so here's 80. Okay. Am I done?
No.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, right. No, you think I got more? We've told how many clothing, right? We filled out the bar graph. It doesn't say total.
How many articles of clothing
Fit in each rack. We got that, right? So we're good?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we are moving on to 10-3 and 7.